It's not even you anymore. It's what you left behind.
Morning, beautiful baby angels. Today is Saturday, June 6th. It is currently 6:33 in the morning. I woke up around probably 5 o'clock. Even though it's Saturday, I still have this routine where I wake up Monday through Friday at 4:30 for the preparation of the stock market open at 6:30. And currently I am watching a YouTube video. One of my favorite YouTubers, my name's Teo. Love him. While looking for a scalp trade. Girl, I need some coffee. I just brushed my teeth and I have a pretty nice setup. Here, I'll show you guys. Here we go. And got Teo on the TV. I love Lars. He is the cutest old black cat. But anyway, this is what my setup looks like right now. I got the stable dominance going on. This thing has been savage, bro. Oh my god. Forget it. It has been running rampage. Look at this daily, right? Zoom in. Look. Past every level ever. I think it's going to come up to the 618, to be honest. It is already trying to tap the 1.272, 15%. I really want to say, this is bottom area, but most likely we go and take this out, and the market's been reacting just whoa, just not very reactive, very slow bleeding, no real hard move to the downside, quick move to the upside, typical bottom features. But we're gonna see. We're gonna hope for the best, okay? Because I'm ready. I mean, if you're in the crypto market and you're frustrated too, I get it, because I am too. For you, for all of us. And don't worry, because the CC's got your back. And if you don't know what the CC is, it's the best champions of charts in the world. Okay? And we got you. We're getting there, okay? Anyway, this is what my potential scalp trade might look like. Mind you, I did this at 4:30 in the morning. Why 4:30 in the morning? I believe that looking at or studying or doing whatever you're going to do first thing in the morning gives you the most ability to absorb the most information, and you have the clearest, the most clarity you can possibly have. Sorry, my words are and yeah, but you guys know what I mean, right? That's why I like to just wake up, look at it, and see what I can actually see on the charts, see what it's done while I was asleep behind my back, and then come and take that out, or join them, or not, or it will give direction. But right now it's going sideways. It has found stability until it doesn't, and that looks like today, Saturday, when the demons come out. So either join them or not. I don't know. We will see. But I will have a setup for both, short and long. And lately, my trade setups have been pretty good. I don't want to jump for joy because I'm always looking for confirmation on everything. And even when my trades are going really well, and that's not like real trades, right? It's practice first, because I'm not no fool, bro. And I'm not gonna be, right? We're not in the game for losing money. We're in the game for financial gain and stability. So we must put in the work, and then we will get the results. We have to prove our results, right? We don't want to just go and do stupid things, go and do something dumb. We always want to walk with caution. Anyway, y'all know what I mean. So basically, my trades have been working out. Bro, it was like when you get trading, like, it's like this all of a sudden realization where it just all comes together and you just get it and you stop being a total, you know what? I really need to get a tripod. I might go to Best Buy today. Y'all wanna come? I can't be holding my phone like this. This is crazy. Oh yeah, you get this realization, right? And you're like, oh my gosh, I can see the light. And it has been amazing because I have seen the light and I practiced the light of this strategy. And I said, oh my God, I got something here. I got something here where this could work. And I'm just like, I get it. So I said, let me start practicing the strategy. Because my biggest problem was getting it and entries, right? Because that is the most important thing. I mean, come on. Well, amongst other things, like, you know, your R&R and everything else, right? Risk management. Boom. What's the number one rule? Risk management. Okay. So we don't blow our accounts. We don't do none of that stupidness, dumbness. No. Okay? So, oh, order flow, right? All that stuff is important. Combining all those things into this new strategy that I'm building and have already built and established and is on the way to being executed once enough, verifications, and my test trades are A+ trades, A+ setups, of course, given here a few in there, which I don't. Okay, don't get me wrong. Okay, we get it. You lose some. Yes, I get it. I'm accepting. I'm not trying to be, an airhead about it. I get it. You lose some, you win some. But for me personally, I mean, I really want perfect trades. If it is a failing trade, I'm going to try to avoid it, right? Risk management. Cover your butt. But in any case, I'm excited because I really want to start taking trades, and this has given me so much confidence in getting there. It's just been amazing. I'm in a group as well, Chart Champions with Seb CC, and it has been the best thing that's ever happened to me, and I think it's a blessing from God, to be honest. And Daniel has been so amazing. All the coaches, Scott, Igor, Severin, they're like top of the top. They are chart champions. And I just try to aspire to be just as good. And the rest of the champions that are members in the group are the most, first of all, intelligent, funny. Oh my, I be just rolling all day, bro. Okay? Just rolling all day. Just amazing group of people, individuals like I have ever met. And I can't wait to meet them one day in, the group meetings that they have once a year. This year it's going to be in Madrid, and I pray that God makes a miracle for me, or like somehow I get to go. But that's okay if I don't, because I'm going to try and make it next time. And I'm going to work really hard this year to do all the things that I really want, because your girl has goals. Okay? I talk with my hands sometimes. I know I look crazy, but yeah. Enough rambling. I have to get to work. So, here we go. Good morning, you guys. It is a beautiful Tuesday, and I am awake. I went to sleep at 1:30, and I just woke up like at 6:30, so I'm late, but funny because nobody's doing anything. So I get to sleep in, and I'm about to go back to sleep in a minute. But I'm excited because I said, hey, let me try this orb strategy on gold. It's 6:30. I am right on time. It's officially called the opening range breakout strategy. So what happens is you wait for 6:30 market open, and you mark the open high and you mark the open range low, and you put the VWAP on top of the open range, and it gives you directional bias after the first 15 minutes. So I tested it out, and oh my god, I won my trade by $1,700. Let me show you guys. So this is the opening range that I had here. Oh man, let me see. Okay, this is not gonna be nice. So this was the 6:30 opening range, and as you guys can see, this was the opening range high, opening range low. Popped the VWAP on there. It dragged here for a minute, trying to trick everybody out, and then it officially showed its hand. Candle close. I took the entry, and as soon as I seen that SFP, I got out, and this is what I made on paper trade, because I ain't crazy. Let me see. I made 1,840. This one was a practice fluke. The one that you guys seen on my first video. This one was a test to see, because I believe that when it came back down and it did try to do a re-entry and a close, it failed. So I'm still trying to figure that out. I don't think that after the first move I would even want to get back in, to be honest. So let me go back here. And this one was an accident because I had, which would have worked out, because I had an entry below the orb, right? So it just kind of wicked through, but it still would have gave me some profit. It was just too quick, and currently it is rejecting off the opening range low. Let me get you a good zoom in right here. But you know what? Yeah, it's like a little ladder down, as you can see. Let me see. Yeah, so the directional bias overall definitely was to take out this SFP, most likely, that I had marked over here. Took it out very well. It was struggling to take this previous day on Asia from a couple days ago. Maybe even last week. It's been struggling. Let me show you the 15-minute chart. There you go. So it's been struggling to do that. Well, currently, not this one. And yeah, that it was just the first 15 minutes. Now it's 7:13. And pretty excited about that for real, because man, that was so cool. That was my first time ever doing that. This is the 6:45. Let me see, I used the 1-minute chart. So I was pretty excited to practice that, because I really been meaning to put my strategies into practice, the ones that I learned from my group chart champions and all my mentors. And they're just so freaking awesome and smart that I just be like, God, how did you find me to bless me like that? You are so kind and loving to me. It just makes me want to cry, I swear. Oh, oh my gosh, I just had to cough. But yeah, I just feel so blessed to have like really great mentors that are giving away all this amazing, factual information that actually works. And they're not like greedy or keep things to themselves, because you know how sometimes it could be like that. God, I am just so blessed, and it makes me more confident in taking a trade when I feel like I have officially, proper, I would say like when I feel like I'm at a 10 and still need like, I'm just like very like, protect capital, right? Protect capital. And until I feel secure in my trading and I have a very high win rate, I'm not going to take a trade. And I hope that inspires you guys to also do the number one rule: protect your capital, because that's all that matters. And having a higher win rate will give you the confidence to really see, hey, you know what, I got something here. Hey, but it's just so much information, you guys, and I know it's overwhelming. Trust me, I get overwhelmed all the time. I mean, I just finished crying like 2 days ago over like, what did I get into? But this is great. Sometimes you're gonna have bad days, sometimes you're gonna have good days, but you just gotta push through it. This is what we do, and this is who we are. We gotta be strong. We are strong people because we do shit like this. That's fucking crazy. Sorry. But it's true. Oh God, we're just like a bunch of psychopaths. Just kidding. But yeah, that was one strategy that I just finished learning. The opening range breakout strategy. I thought it was the coolest ish ever when I saw it, and I was like, oh, like angels coming down. I just find it so freaking cool. Like, this is how excited I get over trading and just learning stuff. I'm such a I'm a big nerd, but yeah, I love it. So I was like, oh my gosh, let me try it this morning. And that's what I did. So I couldn't believe how amazing that was. Like, it was great. It feels good to have a winning trade and a strategy that actually works and a community that backs you on that and that is showing you and guiding you. Like, this is all like A+, everywhere. And it's only A+ trades. So yeah, you take a risk with the work that you learned and the work that you did, and it pays you off. And that, just heightens every emotion and makes you feel great and amazing. And it makes you keep going, All right, guys.
-2.
Currently
we are
in my update right now.
So that is now shifted up towards the highs, which is
Just
a bearish sign.
listening to the
It means
coach.
now we've got a lot of the volume at the highs. We're moving down towards the lows. We still have this CC Fibonacci. I was not expecting to say that, my friends.
Are not looking
That
good
is
right
that is a reversal and a half. I have no idea. Maybe if there's some news that's caused this.
Yeah, there's something going on.
It'd be really interesting to know if that is the case. Let's take what we looking at. That high was put in at around.
My long box is coming in.
Just on the.
But honestly, I think we're gonna just run right through that mouth. We'll just have to wait and see for reaction.
Say anything.
Rule number 1: protect capital.
Well, that is a bit of a surprise, but in the end, then we can say
focus back in,
literally a little bit of a swing failure pattern of the previous high from Monday on New York Open for
low-key happy that I didn't wake up super early this time. It's like, when you're like in this energy realm where like you're vibing and you're just living through the energy pool that you're getting, and it just all works out at the end of the day, and you just don't even trip.
Wow, yeah.
That's how I feel like right now.
I was not
so I'm really glad that stuff like that happens. I got to edit the video last night and went ahead and went to sleep at 1:30. Didn't worry about it. I said I'll just sleep in and finish up tomorrow. And look at this, everything just working out perfectly. I took a trade this morning on paper, and I got to watch my teacher right now, and I'm talking to you guys. Now let me go focus back in before
So if we want Bitcoin to actually hold up.
It's not even you anymore. It's what you left behind. I don't think about you every day, but when I do it's the same. Like something buried in my chest still responds to your name. Try to call it moving on, try to say it's just a phase, or something in the way I breathe still remembers how you stayed. I don't miss you like before, or maybe I just lie better now. Funny how you know someone.
Guys, I just took a shower and I'm just waiting for my hair to dry. That way I can straighten it out. I did my makeup, brushed my teeth. It is 12:34 right now, and I just turned my computer on. I am currently in a trade. Yeah, so what happened is, let me show you guys. All right, guys, I'm currently in a trade, and this is my levels right here. We are in this range right here where I'm going to click on it from top, middle, and bottom. I pulled the fib all the way over and it gave us val high, point of control, and the low. Basically, we've been kind of ranging here. It had a beautiful SFP. My coach went over all of this, so I'm able to explain it more eloquently to you guys. And yeah, we expected a bounce, waited for reaction, of course, and I use ATES for determining whether the long is valid or not. It wasn't an overcrowded long, and there was many trap shorts, so it was definitely a go. I was very pleased to hear that. And now we are in a long from the bottom of this range, well from the NPOCs, and I also get these from ATES, if you guys were wondering. I update him every day, These levels right here were pulled from, as you can see, from high to the absolute low of the whole move. And our exit targets are from range right here at the value area high. How we pulled this level was from the high to the potential target here. It's kind of like predicting, but you know, if you use this fib level, it will tell you exactly where to land at. But of course, with time comes knowledge, and studying, of course, comes all these different things that I've learned throughout these past few months and years. I also put in this triangle on the 5-minute chart. I'm already on there. So I saw it forming. I said, okay, well, if it's a failed auction, then we will see that happen. But if it's not, we'll see a breakout. It looked like we kind of faked it out a little bit to trap some more shorts. And it looks like it worked. Sorry, boys, not this time. The CC's in here. So we send our regards. So basically, I am in my long, and I'm long and chill, just like the rest of the crew. So I'll update you guys and let you know how that's going. I'm waiting for my hair to dry, and I'm just chilling today. I'm about to make something to eat, and I'll keep you guys updated. So I'm literally just gonna make some eggs right now. I had some meal prep. Let me show you guys. This is currently my fridge. I had some meal prep in there, but I don't know, I'm not feeling it. I had one of these Nuris this morning, the strawberry shake, and I didn't really like these, so that's why this one has been here for a minute. But these protein pops are amazing. Seriously, I got some chicken and I got these, but there's just so many carbs in it, and I'm trying to be just protein and veggies. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make some eggs right now. I got this milk. I really don't got nothing else in here. I do need to go grocery shopping, so hopefully this trade gets us there, because mama needs some groceries. I mean, I don't know, because honestly, this is probably gonna last me a while. But the thing is that I can't be eating this, like, you know, over a certain time. Ugh, that's the only problem, but whatever. Trade is actually going really good, and yeah, just longing and chilling, making some breakfast. Got the eggs going, and I need to get dressed. I need to do my hair. I wish I could have a cup of coffee, but since my diet has just gone to almost zero, not literally, but you know, just eating very small portions to kickstart my weight loss. Yeah, coffee actually makes my heart, and it's just like too much sometimes, so I can't do that right now. But here's my cappuccino machine. Let me show it to you guys. This is she and this is her. I also have this coffee thing. Like, I love coffee. My son got me this little thing. I mean, oh, I miss coffee so bad, but I just know it's just gonna mess me up right now. Heart going crazy. Right, so here's my eggs. They broke. But I don't care. I don't know if I want to put ketchup on them or not. I think I'm just skip it today and just have some water with this. Here's my eggs, and I'm sitting here in front of the computer, just watching my trade, and I'm probably gonna do some updates to my chart while I can take advantage of it. Yeah, I'll show you.
Forget who you are without. There's a part of you and me, like a shadow in the light.
I don't notice till I move.
Every step I take alone
Still feels a little used.
it's not a love that lingers on. It's the residual of you.
Living, 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 change. So we never think to change.
It's the residual. I still hear you in my silence, but I'm trying not to think. Like your absence fill the space that I didn't know would shrink. I thought time would change the shape, turn the memory into dust. But some people don't fade out, they just live inside your trust. Maybe nothing really ends, maybe we just rearrange. Turn our feelings into habits that we never think to change. I don't say it out loud, I don't write it in the news, but every version of me now still has residual you. Every time I try to think,
I know I'm falling for you.
Did my hair. It was kind of hot today, so I definitely need to go pat my face down. Yeah, but I don't dye my hair anymore, you guys. I'm all natural, no nails, just simple makeup, beat, okay? And no jewelry, nothing. My diet's changed, and it's been a journey. Hopefully I can show you guys along too. Today I had dinner. I had some steak. I had maybe 4 ounces of steak with some edamame. That's pretty much it. Water all day. The only thing I had was like that strawberry nuri in the morning for breakfast and the 3 eggs. So that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna eat the rest of the night. It's already too late anyway. It is 7:30, so I'm gonna hurry up and finish editing this video, uploading it. I already did the thumbnails, I did everything, and I feel pretty accomplished. Hopefully I get some time to work on some other charts for now, because I heard gold was back above this morning. She left without me. But that's the price you pay when you're busy filming, editing, living life, you know. I had to, wash my hair, girl. I can't do this like this. Come on. But it is a big miss out. Huge. But there will be more trades every day. The market does not stop. The market is always there. Bye.
It's the residual. It's the residual of you.
Never know how to
Feel that
every time I try to leave.
look into
I've been knowing when it does to it. I've been knowing when it does to it. Knowing when it does to it. Never think to change.
It's not even you anymore. It's not even you anymore. It's not even you. It's not even you anymore. It's not even you anymore. It's not you anymore. It's what you left.